Happy Saturday, everyone. So today's video, as you guys know, is a PR unboxing. I'm also doing giveaways in every Saturday video, so just click the link down below, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you're most excited about. I love to hear what you guys are really stoked about. If it's like skincare or makeup or hair care and whatnot, or like lifestyle, I love hearing from you guys. And let's go ahead and get on into it. All right, so first off, we have a new product from Pharmacy. So this is their 10% niacinamide night mask. So it smooths, refines pores. It's got vitamin B. So it's a very potent overnight smoothing mask that's going to help with your skin texture, help with your pores, and it's also going to help strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. Oh, I need that. My skin is weird. Like it'll get balanced and it gets super dry, and I feel like sometimes it does have like a problem with like retaining the moisture and retaining water. I'm trying to drink water a lot more. So I'm excited to try this out. So we're definitely gonna set that aside and we're gonna give that a go. This is already available. It's available in Sephora on January 7th. So yeah, it's already available and it retails for $42. All right, so next up we got some new products from ColourPop. These are 2 Jewel for school. So these are the Crown Jewels. They are little mini palettes here. So let's see. So we have Really Ruby, Gotta Gate, Set on Sapphire, All That Topaz, and Emerald Away, and Citrine, You and Me. So let's see. I'm kind of like wanting to go into Topaz. I feel like that's going to be more my color scheme. Let's open this one up. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. Look at these. So first off, this is what the packaging looks like. I'm struggling today. I'm struggling. So this is what the packaging looks like. I put my finger in it, but oh well. So these are the colors, really pretty. So I'm actually like really, oh my God. Holy moly. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh, these are so, I love ColourPop shadows. I swear they do the best and they're so inexpensive. That one's really, really pretty. Let me see Citrine, whatever it is. Okay, so this one's a little bit more warmer. You got some coppers and stuff in here. So let's go into this one. This one looks like a really, oh yeah, this like bronze looks, or copper looks really pretty. I think it'll be gorgeous on the lids, and it will really actually make your eyes like pop. I feel like it's really pretty with like blue eyes, green eyes, and brown eyes. Like this is such a like a cool color that works for so many eye colors, I feel like. So this is really, really pretty. And then they got a nice like warm transition shade in here, right there. That's super pretty. So love that. Thank you ColourPop for sending these over. These are super cute. I don't know how much they are, but they're already available, so I'll have them linked down below. All right, so next up we have some products from First Aid Beauty. So they sent over their Hydrating Eye Cream. Yes, love that. And then we have their Ingrown hair pads. What? I've never seen these before. Oh, I could use these. Swipe pad over clean, dry skin daily. Begin using day after shaving or waxing. I need to try this, like even just for my eyebrows. So I feel like I've been getting like a little ingrown hairs like right up here. So I need to give this a go. Oh, these are so cool. And they're just little pads. Oh, that's so neat. Oh, I love that. Alrighty. So thank you First Aid Beauty for sending those over. Okay, so next package is from Ciate London, and they sent over this Dewy Blush. What? And then a a lip oil. I gotta open this one up. Got to. Oh yes. So this is what the lip oil looks like. This looks like it would just be like really hydrating. It's watermelon, so it's gotta taste good too. That's nice. Oh, that's really nice. That's something that would be really nice just like in your bag if you're like out at the beach or something and you want to hydrate your lips back up. That's really good. And then this is the Dewy Blush. It's a glossy cheek tint, and this is in the shade Watermelon. So this is so cool. So this is what it looks like right here. Pink, and then let's kind of, ooh, this is hot pink. Definitely got to use a very light hand with this. So it looks like that. Hang on. Oh, this is pretty. They're nice and sheer. Look at that. Oh, and they're really moisturizing too. It feels almost like a serum, and it's not tacky. It's not tacky at all. And look at that little tint that it leaves. That'd be really pretty for like a no makeup look. Like you do a little bit of concealer, you can add that to your cheeks just to give like a little bit of color back into you. I think that's gorgeous. And it's a nice like cool tone pink. So it's not going, like if you're like kind of pink tone like I am, where you have that pink undertone, it's not going to like make those like red tones and stuff come out because it's like a cooler side. So that's really nice. Then we've got the hydrating primer here. Ooh. Oh, I could use that. So hydrating primer and also the setting spray. So this is the hydrating setting spray. So this is such a cute little collection. So thank you so much, Ciate, for sending this. All right, so next up is a package from Benefit. Oh, I haven't seen anything from Benefit in like so long. So we have a new, oh, they came out with a new primer. It's the Light Primer. Retails for $32. This is an ultra lightweight face primer to minimize the look of pores. Oh, so it's probably not as like thick as the Professional. And then we've got their Super Setter, which is amazing. The Professional Super Setter right there. So that's awesome. I can't wait to try this one out. We got some primers to test out, so that's exciting. Thank you, Benefit. Alrighty, so next up from Impress, we have the Zodiac collection, and they sent over, oh, I knew I smelled the candle. So they sent over the Taurus Candle here. Oh, this smells so good. This is naturally soy wax blend, hand poured in the USA. Oh, it smells so good. This would be a good bathroom candle. I always feel like I feel like kitchen candles, there's like citrus or something fruity is really nice. Bedroom is like kind of like a more of a spice, I feel like what's that one from Bath and Body Works that smells like Abercrombie? Like that one for the bedroom smells bomb, but I don't know. You just have these scents that just like kind of like make you think, oh, this would be perfect for this spot in the house. But look at how cool these nails are from Impress. So these are the Taurus ones. So I really want you guys to see those up close and look at the design on them. Those are really, really cool. Oh, how neat. Well, I would even like to get my nails painted like this. This is really pretty. They got like moons and stars and then also just gorgeous like neutral colors with the signs. So that's really gorgeous. So thank you so much to Impress for sending these over. All right, so next up we have a package from, it smells really good by the way. This is from Saturday Skin. So this is Make It a Yuzu Bright Holiday. So I'm guessing this one came from the holiday season, but they sent over their Bright Eye Cream, which is amazing. Love this. And then they sent over a really cute little pink little rubber ducky, which I know Riley is going to be obsessed with. I have another one that I had, and it has like a little Santa hat on it, and she threw it into my shower, so that's been hanging out in there. But she's gonna love this. Same thing with her and Kinsley. And then they sent over some organic yuzu marmalade right here, which looks really good. Yum. And then we have some irresistible yuzu lemon cookies. These are dairy-free, soy-free, no sugar substitutes, no artificial preservatives. These also look bomb, so I can't wait to try those. So thank you so much, Saturday Skin, for sending these over. All right, so next up is a package from Kiss. So I'm excited to see what they sent over. So they sent over some lashes and some nails and then also a little present. So must be from the holidays. So look at how gorgeous these are right here. This pink with the glitter. Those are so pretty. And then we also have this really pretty, like kind of bold, muted like eggplant. And then I love this nail shape right here. It's a kind of toned down coffin shape. And then we've got some lashes that they sent over that are beautiful. These ones are boom in your face. And then, oh my God, look how cute these ones are, you guys. Like the plaid and then the detailed, the glitter, the reindeer on it. These are so cute. And then we have some more lashes right here. Boom. And then they also sent over this guy. Oh my God, it smells minty. Oh my gosh, we got a cake. I don't know how I'm just seeing this right now, but it smells good, but I doubt it's still good, right? Because it's been sitting here for a while. But I got sent a cake from Papillo. It's a Papillo Bake Shop show-stopping olive oil cakes. An amazing cake doesn't need icing. Proof is in the box. My fresh from the oven flavor will grab a hold of you like a great love won't let go. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. I've got it all going on. Savor me solo or pass me around. have me bare or with a sprinkle of sugar. So they even sent over like this is so cute how they did this, the strainer, which I'm kind of happy about because I don't have a little strainer like this. So this is awesome. But yeah, so you could put that on there. Wow. I wish I would have seen this. Thank you, Kiss. I really appreciate it. I need to get a lot better about opening these, which I thought like I grabbed from a pile that was like the most recent. I'm trying to grab from like the area where I keep stacking them so that way I can get the most recent stuff. But there's still some things in there. I think it's because they got moved around from the cleaners. That's probably why things got reorganized. But yeah, anyways, thank you, Kiss. I wish I could have enjoyed it, but I'm excited for the nails and the lashes. All right, so next up, I got a package from Bumble and Bumble, and I haven't gotten anything from Bumble and Bumble in so long. I am so excited because I still live in the shirt that they sent me so long ago. They sent over this really big, comfortable, like long sleeve shirt, and it says like Bumble and Bumble on it. And it's like one of my favorite sleep shirts. I legit have looked at the tag and the brand trying to find where I could just get another one because it's so awesome. But anyways, I'm excited. Let's see what they sent over. And I also love their products. Their invisible hair oil is so good. So I've loved that, repurchased it so many times. Let's see what they sent. Okay, I'm super stoked about this. So this is their new BB Illuminated Blonde. It neutralizes brass, hydrate, and enhance tone. I'm blonde. My hair loves to go warm. It loves to turn brassy, and I hate it. So I'm really, really excited because I love Bumble and Bumble products. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what they sent over. So it's really cool. They sent over a speaker, and then we have their shampoos and conditioners. So let's look at this. So hydrating purple shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, so this is gonna be really, really nice. I cannot wait to try that out. And then we got the conditioner right here, which I also really like the packagings because these are gonna be easy packaging to get the product out of. I hate it when I have a hair care product where it's so hard to get the product out of the packaging. So I love that. They have a tone enhancing purple leave-in treatment to neutralize brassiness and reduce frizz. Oh, how cool. Apply to damp hair from roots to end, comb through, and style. Oh, I'm excited for that too. So I will definitely let you guys know how those work out for me. So if you're blonde or if your hair loves to turn warm like mine does, I'll let you guys know how this works. I am super stoked for these. So thank you so much, Bumble and Bumble. And then they sent over, I think it's just like a speaker. Yeah, so they sent over an Ultimate Ears speaker right here. Yeah, so you just plug it in. And then, oh, you got like a plus and a minus. Oh, how cool. And it even has Bumble and Bumble on it. That's super, super cute. So I got a little speaker. Yay, thank you. All right, so next up I have another holiday one, and this one is from Fresh. So they said, happy holidays, sending you and your family the best wishes for a wonderful holiday season. We are so grateful for your partnership and support this year, and we are looking forward to a great 2022, the Fresh family. So we got, let me show you. This is from their little oh my God, these are so cute. I love these, and these are like the little mini lip balms. Oh, these are so cute. I love those. And then we also have this gift set right here, and this one has the soy face cleanser, the kombucha facial treatment, and also the black tea firming corset cream. This is awesome. So thank you so much, Fresh, for sending these over. All right, so next up, or I should say the last package is from It Cosmetics. So they sent over this guy right here. This is so exciting. So we've got Discover the Perfect Treatment, and it says for your skin concerns. So there's like all different things here. I think I've seen this before, but there's a new one in here that I haven't tried. This is for texture. It's a nourishing oils and glycolic acid, and it's baby smooth glycolic peel and caring oil. Oh, that sounds so nice. If you want visibly improved uneven texture for skin that looks baby smooth and feels baby soft without complicating your skincare routine. It's gonna combine benefits of an exfoliating peel to help promote skin surface cell renewal with a hydrating replenishing oil. Oh, that's nice. And I love oils. I live for oils. And it's suitable for sensitive skin. So that is awesome. So we got that. Then we have the Wrinkle Reducing Daily Retinol Serum and Cream right there. Then we have Dark Spots, the Bye Bye Lines, the Bye Bye Pores, and Bye Bye Dullness. So we've got some new ones to try. Oh yeah, the Dullness Vitamin C is going to be brightening. I think I definitely want to use, like, I think for me, what I really need right now is definitely the Hello Results right here. I think that one's going to be really good for me. I got pretty bad pores, lines. Yeah, definitely lines. Dark spots, no. I've actually been pretty good. I feel like my skin really, like, brightened up and it's not, like, super dull looking right now. So that's been good. So I think definitely for me, it would be, like, the lines, the pores, and the wrinkles. Because I get the lines, the pores, and the Baby Smooth. I just dropped that one. But I feel like because I get these like expression lines right here so easily, it sucks. I'm actually going to go get Botox today because my body, like it metabolizes it so fast. And I do like the bare minimum. I like to still be able to move everything. So it doesn't last very long, but I just want it to like not leave, you know, like to where I don't have these like wrinkles that just, I don't want them to get worse. So I do it as like almost like preventative to try to like ease it up. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna go do today because I think that the last one, it lasted like 2 months. It just did. I barely put anything in there though. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this PR unboxing. This one's kind of small. I feel like I don't know why, but it's a pretty good one. We got some good products. We got some makeup. We got some skincare. We got primers. We got lashes. We got nails. So we just got some stuff that we need to try out. It's really exciting. Tomorrow I'm actually, which you guys are seeing this on Saturday, but I'm filming on Tuesday right now. So tomorrow I'm actually going to take Riley to Disneyland. So I'm gonna be vlogging that. Like I'm vlogging our trips to Disneyland. They're just really cute. They're short. They're just sweet. So I will have that up on my Life of Maddie channel. So you guys make sure you check that channel out because I post a way more variety over there. I definitely, I've been filming like a week in my life, but I just didn't have enough content. So I'm just working on some things. There's a lot of stuff going to be happening in February. So I feel like things are definitely going to change in February, as a lot of you guys do know, like that's when my divorce becomes final. So I feel like that's when things are definitely going to, like, it's going to be different. So it's just been getting past these like 6 months. And we'll just talk more then. But yeah, so that's going to be here very, very soon. So it's crazy. It's going to be a whirlwind. But it's exciting. A new chapter. We're good. We're good. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you guys in my next one and also over on Life of Maddie. So make sure to go check that channel out. Again, a lot more variety over there, and we're going to get into stuff here soon. It's just been a roller coaster, and I feel like it's going to get easier once everything is like done. I think once that's done, it'll just be like fresh. So we're going to go with that. And then I can talk about more. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.